Why didn't you come tonight?
My husband is home.
Say crowd here. Now kasana mi crew. When are you going to finish him off?
Why are you so impatient? I'll do it on the new moon.
That's too far from now.
So you know the time between 2 new moons? Don't you dare.
It seems you are forgetting why I agreed for you to marry my brother.
Whether I'm married to you or him, I have what I want.
Can't I touch my own child? Abba.
Yes?
Abba. What are you doing outside alone? Huh? It is not safe. Come with me. Let's go.
Abba, what about Ukramane?
Mammy, some catch and there's some cassia pan a babu.
Hey, Abba, Shani you. As a crotch, a man sat to you moi. No one therefore, and once inside the Ewa Hoda. O bet me how a brebia.
What do you want here? Get off my farm!
Do you have a farm?
It is my husband's farm.
And it is our family land too.
I don't care. Leave this place. Hey! Ajwa, please leave her alone. She's pregnant. Please. What are you looking at? Her once beautiful face, which has become so ugly.
Hey, Frema, why are you fuming?
I think you should ask your wife. She's really getting on our nerves. She's preventing us from harvesting crops from the farm. On top of that, she struck her jaw with a stick the last time.
Oh! Okay, me need Becca say why? Ma bibia told why?
Mati?
You went here, Ebishia.
Obrefo, this situation cannot go on forever. What is it at all that can make you hate your brother so much? As for land, no one was born with it. I'm prepared to cut a piece of mine for you.
Opinion. What hurts me is that he is my junior brother. So he should not show me such disrespect by calling me insulting names. If anything, he has rather shown that he doesn't want any reconciliation.
I want us to have a final meeting on this issue. Do you agree?
Abba, I think that settles it. I have given them the permission to harvest from the farm. So there is no need to quarrel. I have to go and see Abu Sepani. I won't take long. Come here.
Abba.
As for you, you always come at the wrong time.
This is the right time because your husband is not at home. I want you to do it tonight. Kill him this evening.
What are you shouting for? Obrefo, what are you shouting for? I won't kill him. Minkuno tong.
Oh, I know you will do it in your own time. Eh? I'm so sorry for the pressure I'm putting on you, Abba.
Obrefo, leave me alone. If you dare come here again, if my husband comes, I will tell him.
Please, Abba. Please.
All right, so as I was saying, since your father died,
Oh, now wait up a deal.
How you feel?
it's my fault. AJ, I should have told you who you were coming to meet here.
Openi. And I'm a buam woman. Train.
I called the two of you here so that we bury the land dispute once and for all.
I agree. Once it doesn't mean my giving up ownership of the portion I have toiled so much to make productive.
Masam Yinan say, Assassino, Yanchan Fofro, we must reach the land.
Say, say, Assassino Sanka. You know your problem in particular is laziness.
Opani, so Sadimatembium.
Please.
So,
Please.
My sisters now work on the farm, and I allow them to harvest from the farm. And if I am not lying, he eats from the same harvest.
Actually, me, I will never.
Oh, Obrefo. So you are already enjoying from your brother?
Opani, did you ask me to come here to be humiliated? Did you ask me to come here to be humiliated? Eh? Did you ask me to come here to be humiliated? I will not sit down to be ridiculed. Ajay, you must know that we are still at war.
You see that? You see?
Opani, I have come for my gold.
Sikaben. Sikalo what the mom say. Minko jira wechi enkasem. Asem no so be kan ya na ye na anye. Etimi ni sika bia de ma.
Share. Opani, no one messes up with me or Befuo in this village and goes free. I am giving you up to tomorrow morning. If I don't get my gold, mark my words, I will kill you.
Obrefo, you spend all your time spying on me. Men can't show sense here you. Mamma can't show nena ton once say mawari. Me domi kunu. Min pe biom. Na min kumi kunu so mauda.
What is Samaba?
Asem ben.
Obrefo ne se wakoto aba mo na no. Hey! Hey! Obimro! Mabna! 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 Obimro! Mabna!
Kusume wajana kwa kusume wajana kwa kusume wajana kwe
I want him brought to me.
Yeah.
I want him brought to me dead or alive.
Yeah.
This abomination will not stand.
Yeah. Tamai! 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 Wana kusume! Wana kusume! Wana kusume wajana kwe! Wana kusume! Wana kusume! Wana kusume yako!
Nipa ntrase kwa nyesa. Dabi. Why boni papa?
Papa.
Hey. Nana.
You can't go with them.
Nana.
No. You are his brother. He has offended you. You will shed his blood.
Nana, Obrefo is a great warrior with his staff and spear. I may be of good use if I go to her.
Swear to me you will not shed his blood.
I swear the great oath of the stool.
Now, go and bring me Obrefo.
Obrefo. Sorry, I'll say put. Surrender!
I will fight till death.
Yeah! Yeah! Obrafo. Etu di asem bia ba bekọ wu a age sekraw. Nanim se ni mu antimi wa etete wontuma. Menyini se asem we obetwa yi hu afrim totroto da biara da. Wodi fa na so de bem. Hwe so hwe manim to. O hwe manim so dwan no. Onkasa. Ocholege. Onkasa. Therefore, oso onkasa dia bu asem no. No obi o bibi pa se oye no. Onko ye.
Sabe ka de credit wa. Obejimi edi.
Kawanu tum wo ho. Nukwa be na aka na maju adie. Munato ni dabre be ne etese wo kokkosa ni be ma etese wo. Bibi enkume so di saboni we se wie no no adwane enwuram srodo. Anya man fa dawroma ene be che wo man ya. Se ka adwane. Nanane ne mpanimfo. Me koto no fili se ogudumadi no so. Me ti jai. Na wo samro na wo yeden ho. Oh, na me kwaje ho. Akwaje bayiri tire ni bi akodua. Eti be kwa mi duru akire ho no. Na me te sa aba. Ajei okumyo obimro oprami na me de ka me ko ho. Me koya. Oja fola. Ogusua obodumai obodua obodi bi adwuma. One na ba akwatoa de ba akwatoa. Ana o se entam. Ana okude Okude.
Emususem. Oba onyim. Na unim se, ubem na pon.
Obrafo. Unye wone nenka. Wone fa esi ha. Ena asem, ekina asem. Na samre na wo ye den e wo fie ho. Ana na yira ba no, ena na pese okoto no mo na. Okoto no mo na. Nana, asem na kasa no, abu awie. No kra na dadi awie dada. So pani bi obibi so be kan so dia, otimi kan.
Asotwe a efata no, ena ese de ma no.
Obrefo, you have committed abomination in this matter.
Yeah.
You will be banished immediately.
Yeah.
Take him away.
Abrafo, mumfa no ko.
Mami. Let's go. Move.
Abba, I will never forget what you have done to me.
Hey, AJ, what is wrong with you?
I'm all right. I'm okay.
Are you sure you're all right?
It's just a bad dream. Don't worry, I'm fine.
Back
Sorry. Mama, me akwenye de be na unda de ahwe wi. Come on. Jano nya ho ni bia je no. De ahwe. Come on, go.
If you had won, she would have been with you. This is the third time your brother has beaten me. But there will be no fourth time. Next time, I'll put his back to the ground. Let's go.
Medu, see, I am very...
See ya. Beko.
Idiot, what generally? Have I said something wrong? Oh. Don't mind him. Oh, please. Hey! You don't. Brinya. Don't mind her. Is she the only beautiful girl in this village? I don't call your band. You know the answer. I think it's time for you to defend your title. Look, let's go, let's go.
Where have you been? Your father has been asking for you.
Hey, Osei. Why haven't you brought the foodstuffs from the farm? When I talk to you, you never listen. Unlike your brother Beko, you better change your character. Come on, go and get a basket and go to the farm immediately. Get the basket. Yeah, Shenipa.
Why are you always picking on Osei? What about Beku? Where is he?
I gave Beku his work, and he has finished. Couldn't Osei have done the same?
So Beku should be wrestling. Whilst Osei does all the work in this house.
That is not it. You know Osei has become lazy. He doesn't do what I tell him. And you support him for that?
For some time now, you've been showing more affection to Beku. If you don't change your attitude, our sons will begin to hate each other.